Hi, welcome to 5148 West Elmer in Boise, Idaho. The current owners bought this home because of how peaceful and serene the neighborhood and the home itself is. From the beautiful sitting area in the front to the wonderful covered patio in the back and the fireplace inside. You're going to love this home. Let's go take a look. This home is absolutely stunning. No carpeting in the house, which means one less thing to clean and care for. Cozy up by the fireplace, warm up on those nights when it's a little too cool to sit outside. Let's go peek at the kitchen. As we're walking in, here's the dining space. That is just perfect. And here's the kitchen. It looks beautiful. Lots of counter space to work and put stuff on, and a small breakfast area to sit and enjoy your morning coffee. Let's go peek at the master bedroom. Look how large the master bedroom is. Lots of room. Windows are great. Beautiful door to the outside, covered patio. And look at this closet. Hang on, I'm getting there. If I go too fast, I make myself dizzy during these. Here's the door. Look how large that is. Plenty of room to get inside. Plenty of room to store all your stuff in. The master bathroom has a beautiful step-in shower. Look how lovely. Oh, this home is beautiful. Let's look at the backyard. You're going to love it. And here we are under the covered rear patio. Look at the beautiful landscaping. Room for the gazebo. Couple trees, gorgeous bushes. I'm going to turn around in a second so you can just see how large that patio is. And look, garden spot down that way. We'll take a peek in a minute, but here's the patio. Look at this. Oh my stars, is that not beautiful? Coming around. The fruit trees in here produced peaches and apples this year. That's kind of cool. And here's the rest of the backyard. More fruit trees, a fenced-in, sectioned-off area. And as we come around the corner, oh, here comes the squirrel on the fence. Hey there, buddy. I hope we're not bothering you. Just beautiful. What are you waiting for? Come on down and buy this place.